Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक्स कंपनी एजिलिस डायग्नोस्टिक्स। खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो।
Hello and welcome to Fit Khabar. I am Anshika and here's your weekly roundup of the latest health news from across the globe. Actress Samantha Prabhu, who is currently busy in promotion of her upcoming web series Citadel, Honey Bunny recently took to Instagram for a Q&A session with her fans. During the interactive session, one user commented negatively about her weight, prompting Samantha to address the issue of body shaming directly. She responded firmly, encouraging her followers to adopt a live and let live attitude, reminding them that everyone has a right to be comfortable in their own skin without being subjected to harmful criticism. Samantha's candid reply has sparked widespread support for body positivity, with fans praising her for standing up to trolls and promoting self-love. Her response is a part of larger conversation about how body shaming is damaging and the importance of creating a more inclusive, supportive online space. In a tragic incident, a 15-year-old boy from Hathras, Uttar Pradesh lost his life after doctors removed 56 foreign objects from his stomach, including watch, batteries, blades, nails, and other metal particles. The boy, identified as Aditya, had been suffering from severe stomach pain and difficulty breathing, leading his family to seek medical help. Initially treated at local hospitals in Hathras, Aditya was later transferred to a hospital in Jaipur for surgery. During the procedure, which aimed to remove the foreign objects, the boy tragically passed away. Authorities are investigating how and why objects ended up in his stomach, though it is suspected that the boy may have ingested them due to mental health condition. In a shocking and alarming case of medical negligence, a lab assistant in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, performed an electrocardiogram (ECG) on a patient after watching a YouTube tutorial. The incident occurred when the trained ECG technician at the hospital was on Diwali leave, leaving the lab assistant to perform the procedure without proper training. The patient's family voiced their concerns, arguing that conducting such an important medical test without the necessary expertise could have serious consequences for the patient's health. The lab assistant defended his actions, explaining that he had no choice due to the absence of qualified staff. The hospital has launched an administrative inquiry into the incident and is now reviewing the policies to ensure that such negligence does not happen again in the future. A recent report published in BMG Case Reports has highlighted the health risks associated with wearing tightly bound waistcoats on petticoats, particularly among women who regularly wear saris. The condition, known as petticoat cancer, is linked to a chronic pressure and friction caused by tight waistbands on the skin, which can lead to skin inflammation, ulcer, and in severe cases, skin cancer. This condition, previously referred to as sari cancer, has been found to affect women who wear tight underskirts for extended periods, especially in rural areas where the traditional sari attire is commonly worn. Doctors are urging women to be aware of the risks associated with tightly tying their petticoat waistcord and encouraging them to opt for more comfortable, loose-fitting garments. A new study has found that even just 2 to 3 days of exercise per week can significantly protect your brain from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The research conducted by Canadian-American team highlights how moderate to vigorous physical exercise is linked to increased brain volume, particularly in areas crucial for memory and cognition such as hippocampus and temporal lobe. The study suggests that regular physical activity helps slow down the natural decline in brain matter that typically occurs with age. Experts are now recommending that even small amounts of physical exercises, such as walking or light aerobic activity, can provide long-term benefit for brain health, supporting the idea that exercise doesn't need to be intense to make a difference. This finding is especially important as the study suggests that even those with busy schedules can improve brain health by simply dedicating a couple of days or a week to exercise. This finding is especially important as it suggests that even those with busy schedules can improve brain health by simply dedicating a couple of days a week to exercise. In a groundbreaking development, Swiss scientists have created the world's first lab-grown 3D model for studying and treating lip injuries. The researchers have developed immortalized human lip cell which can be reproduced indefinitely in the lab. Lips are an essential part of the body for communication, eating, and breathing, but due to their complex structure, they have been difficult to replicate for research purposes. This breakthrough, published in Frontiers in Cell and Development Biology, could pave the way for better treatments for lip-related injuries, conditions, and disorder. The lab-grown lip cells will allow scientists to study the healing process in detail and develop more effective therapies for people with lip injuries, burns, or other conditions. The model could also be used to understand more about lip cancer and other related diseases, marking a major milestone in medical research for facial and oral health. This is all for today. Keep watching Fit Tak.